What a great way to start the day, folks. Sunrise and a train down there. What a great way to start the day in California. Got some good stuff for you today, folks. So many times I have watched this on other people's videos. It's great to be here myself. Victorville, California, the California Route 66 Museum. Oh yeah, we made it, folks. Hello, folks. Welcome back to the channel, All Wonky Vids, and here with you. And today, we are in the wonderful Victorville, California. Got the Route 66 Museum behind me, and here comes a train. Yeah, that's exactly what we want to see. I live for this stuff, folks. Live for it. Oh yeah, just take this in, this train. Saw the sunrise of the train. Lots of history here, folks. Lots of history. Route 66, the Mother Road. Here we are at California's Route 66 Museum. It's only about, I think it's only like 7:30 and it doesn't open till 10, but yeah, if you look over here, this is pretty cool. Now, it actually starts in Chicago, but this is more near we are. There's San Bernadino, but see, it starts in Santa Monica, Rancho Cucamonga, San Bernardino. These guys. And then just goes through California, through Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and then finally ends in Chicago, Illinois. That's the Mother Road, folks. That's what got this country going in the beginning. That and trains. See? It's moving. The supply's moving, folks. You're gonna get your stuff someday. It's just coming on the rails. Alright, so doesn't open for a little bit. I'm gonna go and walk around a little, check some things out. Why don't you come along with me? Okay, folks, thanks for coming along with me, and here we are at the site of the original McDonald's. Here on part of Route 66. This is in San Bernadino, and countless hours that I spent as a child in something like this. Pretty cool. It's still closed. It's super early still, but what a cool little spot. First McDonald's ever. Got all these murals on it. Out. Sat at those tables plenty of times. Here's a little look inside if you can see it. All McDonald's memorabilia. Oh. So that's what happened to him. Guess there is some sort of consequence for stealing all those burgers. Oh, there's our little purple buddy over there. Just an array of different McDonald's things here, including this little shaggin' wagon. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, all McDonald's stuff. Interesting. Old toys. I used to ride those as a kid. Not to date myself. Look at this though, and it's got a little Roy's Motel Cafe right there. Another little thing on Route 66. Is there anyone in there? Hello? Hello? Oh, I guess no one's sleeping there tonight. Oh, there's another one of those. Why did I love being behind bars? Now, this site here was previously the Summit Inn. This is at the top of the El Cajon Pass. And the Route 66 used to just go along right here. You can see some of it in the distance there. And yeah, hey. And there's an opportunity if you want to purchase the property where the hotel used to be. I mean, everyone seems to just pass it nowadays. That's the whole thing about the interstate. No need for Route 66. But yeah, let's keep checking things out. Okay, so we're inside the Route 66 Museum. And oh, check this out. I thought these were a newer thing, but how nice this is. And I thought the Camperola was cool. This would have been great for the day. Look at this little toy one too. I wonder how much that one is. But plenty of Route 66 memorabilia, and this is mainly just the Victorville room about the city here in Victorville and this place on 66. And my favorite, trains. Victorville is definitely a train town. That's a lot of patches. Okay.
1861, they actually said 1860, but
1860,
I wasn't
okay.
there, so I don't know.
So that's the first picture of Victorville, and then 90 years later, this is the Victorville that came about. Now there's just an array of artifacts and a lot of history here in the California Route 66 Museum. Alright folks, that was a lot of fun. That museum was pretty cool, lots in there, and the guy that helped me out, Lou, was very informative, so was the lady. And I got my little Route 66 route there. And some other souvenirs for some peeps. So anyways, there's more to see. We just started this, so let's go. This bridge over the Mojave River, well, what used to be the Mojave River, but this steel bridge right here was where I saw Adam the Woo, one of my biggest influences in doing my YouTube channel. Do a video from right at this spot. Unfortunately, we don't have the trains coming by, but at least we got it in the morning. But yeah, this is one of the first little spots right after you come from the Victorville Route 66 Museum. Is this bridge over the Mojave right here. And just this barren, rugged landscape along Route 66. We've traveled thousands of miles to be here now. Just a walk in between all these bottles. Pretty cool. This is the bottle tree forest that you may have heard of before, but here we are, folks, right in the thick of it. Nice. Just listen to the natural sounds. And there is a train carrying trucks going right past the bottle ranch. Oh yeah. The old Stardust Inn. I don't know what happened or when, but something definitely happened. Ah, you can still smell it too. Wow. Burnt out trailer. Here's the abandoned Wright Brothers gas station. Yeah, that's been out a while, but those boxes look new, so I don't know what's going on there. But that gas station's been closed for a few decades, and something burned down next to it. Maybe a trailer like that other trailer. And then right across you got this other little abandoned house too. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's only like $600 a month in today's market. What a steal. You get to live by a beautiful train and train tracks though. So that's good, right? Right? Yeah, folks, if you know me at all, you know I love this. I live for this. How's this? Being stuck on Route 66, train coming by. I'm required to stop. Absolutely amazing. And we got the beautiful desert right here. Oh yeah, and I don't know if we can see it. Let's come over here and see if we can see. But this train is probably like a mile long. So we got some time. Nice. And there it is, folks. The world famous Roy's Vacancy Motel and Cafe. And a little gas station too. Just an iconic piece of Route 66 history. Roy's. Well, this was a surprise, folks. Guess we're gonna have to go somewhere else. Now this is a lonely stretch of highway in between these mountains here, in between Route 66 and I-40. I'll be sure to put up the name of it on the vid. Oh, hey, donkey! You're in the road, donkey!